Doge broke a crucial support level, and if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another Doge analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio, as well as the fact that we do have our Telegram channel set up now. So if you want to follow with real live updates, make sure to check out the link as well. As you guys can see on Doge yesterday, we were testing that 0.075 level, and I mentioned the fact that this is, of course, looking like the third test opportunity. You can see we did see a beautiful confirmation to the downside with a very strong bearish engulfing candle, and as of right now we have a very clear break of the support. This wasn't a surprise, of course. I've been mentioning this to you guys from all the way up here at 0.09. The fact that if Doge were to continue pushing on lower, this would definitely be the possibility and outcome of these levels being tested multiple times. As of right now though, of course, we are in extreme oversold conditions, so what I am looking for right now is actually a nice pullback opportunity, retesting that support level as resistance, and then the confirmation to the downside. My overall targets, of course, are around the 0.05, if not the 0.04. So we have to be very, very careful. But first, we would like to see a pullback because we are in extreme oversold conditions. Now, I want to talk about a few things here. Number one, of course, being the fact that exactly what happened yesterday. You can see that we were retesting this support level as resistance. And in the video yesterday, I made the point, the fact that we are seeing multiple rejection candlesticks trying to break above the exponential moving averages without a clean break formation. Ideally, what we're looking for right now was the fact that we got a clean break above the EMAs, started to use them as support, and then a continuation for a possible retest. And you can see Doge failed to do that level. As of right now, though, we do have a very clean wick to the downside. So what I am expecting, of course, is the fact for that nice pullback and then the continuation. But I do want to talk about the hourly time frames because there is something interesting happening here. You can see on the hourly time frames, we do have a lot of selling pressure as of right now, but we have created some sort of midterm support level here on the hourly. You can see that we are, of course, in extreme oversold conditions as well. So this is why I'm hoping the fact that we do see a wick opportunity for that ultimate shorting position to the downside. Right now, a lot of traders are, of course, shorting into the support, and as you guys already know, I have warned you guys this many times that you don't want to be shorting into support. Ideally, what you're looking for, of course, is shorting into that consolidation zone and then the possible outcome to the downside. Otherwise, what you're waiting for is that retest confirmation and then starting to look for the continuation for that shorting possibility. But as of right now, in between these midterm support levels, you don't want to be shorting because we are in extreme oversold conditions. Now, on the 4-hour time frame, you can see that although we have completed this formation to the downside from 0.075, there is still quite a ways to go. If I were to zoom out of the chart here, you can see that we did have a beautiful retest of that 0.08, trying to break above the 0.11, but failed to break that level. And as of right now, this is starting to look like another fake out situation. You can see when we had the massive run up on Doge going all the way up to 0.15, then we consolidated in between this range and then had another beautiful fake out before continuing pushing on lower. Right now, Doge is looking ready to capitulate a lot further, and I have been mentioning this to you guys many times. So this is why we have these levels played out. The 0.04, of course, is a very large in terms of the support level on the daily time frames. So if we do see a wick opportunity to the downside there, then ideally that's where we're looking for our long position. Now, I do want to explain, of course, our long position because I want to show you guys exactly what I look for when we actually test these support levels. You can see right over here when Doge actually retests the 0.075 for that possible first test, we got a strong bullish move set breaking above the previous resistance. That's exactly what I look for when I'm trading on these support levels, and as of right now, you can see we are not seeing that bullish volume come in. We do have, of course, a nice retest of the support level and then the continuation, but there's still no bullish volume coming in as of right now. The daily, of course, just opened, so we will be expecting a pullback and then seeing how this level plays out. We have to be very careful here in terms of a long position because of the fact you can see not only do we have that resistance level as play, but we also have these exponential moving averages as play as well. So any retest opportunity to those EMAs would be a beautiful confirmation. And of course, during capitulation, guys, you do not want to try catching a falling knife. Ideally, what we're looking for is if we do capitulate to these levels, then we want to see that consolidation zone before we continue, because as of right now, this is a very bearish structure happening on Doge. That's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio. And once again, the Telegram channel is now live, so make sure to check that out. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day.